We are live with Dave out on the field.
We are live on Richmond Avenue in Buffalo, New York, where it is really windy out. It is not safe to be out here. As you can see behind me, well, this house is almost going to be gone. I would not want to be living in this house. There is so much wind here. Oh my God! This is crazy. I've never seen anything like this. In all my experience, it's so windy out here, I can't even talk. Alright, we should go. It's not safe here. It's not safe. I'm so glad the kids are off from school. It's not safe.